When clients or customers come into your place of business, what's their first impression? Do they see a clean, healthy-looking environment? Or floors and fixtures that look neglected? Here's what you need to know about the latest in high-tech cleaning solutions.
High-tech commercial cleaning, we've been in business here in Jacksonville for almost 20 years. We're a woman-owned, locally owned company. The owner of our company, Mrs. Pierce, just received her 7th award of being one of the top 50 women-owned businesses here in Jacksonville. So we're very excited about that. We support over 1,000 businesses. They range from medical companies to just regular small offices to large office complexes. Our focus is on health and the details of customer needs.
High-tech commercial cleaning has repeatedly been named one of the top 10 women-owned businesses in the area. With this kind of attention to detail, you can see why.
Every type of business is different, whether it's a car dealership or a medical office. So we spend a lot of time sitting down with a customer and doing a needs analysis with them so that we have a clear understanding of what their needs are so we can build the cleaning schedule and the cleaning process around what their needs are.
So what is the definition of clean?
There's really 2 separate processes, and one is wiping something clean, and we only see it with our eyes, and then there's disinfecting, where we're talking about little microbes that we can't see. So when it comes to that, I would say like a glass cleaner, for example, would be something that you would spray and wipe. However, with a disinfectant, it takes a little bit more than that. Typically, when you spray a disinfectant, a lot of people don't realize that it can take up to 10 minutes of dwell time to actually kill all the viruses or the little microbes that are on the surfaces.
Customized cleaning schedules are a favorite among their clients. That's because this can mean different things to different people.
For example, in a doctor's office, it's really important that you wipe down and dust everything every single night. When you're in an office space, maybe once a week is sufficient for that. And we create routines that are based off of nightly, weekly, and monthly duties so that we're making sure that we're encompassing all cleaning duties from floor to ceiling.
The high-tech in high-tech commercial cleaning isn't just a slogan, it's a promise.
High-tech commercial cleaning, it's in our name. So one of the things that we're always doing is staying on the leading edge of technology and see what's coming out. We've messed around a little bit with laser cleaning tile. One of the things that has really become important today is our focus on electrostatic disinfecting. Electrostatic disinfecting is really a new technology for disinfecting places. And what it does is it uses static electricity to provide 100% surface coverage on any type of surface.
Tony has one more piece of advice for businesses and even homeowners looking to step up their cleaning game. It's about cross-contamination.
Cross-contamination is important. For example, if someone goes to the restroom and they go in there and they use the restroom, they touch the door, and let's say they're sick, for example, and they walk throughout the rest of the facility touching everything else, they're contaminating the whole facility. So how can we take that and leave those germs there? What we have done is we've created 3 different color codes of microfibers that also coordinate with the mop heads. And so we use red in the restrooms only, which is a very high-touch area. The other high-touch area is kitchens and break rooms, so we use blue specifically for that. That way we know those germs are staying in those areas, and then we use green for general purpose. Here in our restrooms, for example, we put up signs that said that no employees can bring their cell phones or magazines or books into a restroom. Because think about that for a second. Somebody brings in their cell phone, we all know how gross some people's phones are, right? And we bring those cell phones in there, touch everything, then somebody else comes in and touches it, and potentially it's creating a health hazard. So it's very important that when a company is looking for a janitorial service, that they've truly identified what their needs are, and they're not just taking the cheapest price, because with janitorial, most of it's labor, and you're gonna pay for what you get.
For more information about high-tech commercial cleaning, visit htccleaning.com, and of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.